Mas. Good morning.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. Hello again, Mas. What did you eat, Mas? Huh? Are you eating, Mas? Good morning, Ka. Okay, let us wait first for the others, okay? How are you, Mas? Shin? Hello, Shing. What is that, Mas? What did you eat, Mas? Huh? Is that you're eating?
Ryan, fried chicken.
What? Rice with vegetables?
Fried chicken.
Chicken. Wow. Hi, Ted. Hi, Ted. Welcome again, Ted, to our science. Hello. Mas is eating rice with fried chicken, Mas, right? And also with vegetables. And I want to say hi to Pat and Anna. Hello, Pat and Anna. Welcome back. Okay, so we have Mas, Shane, Pen, Pat, and Anna. Okay, let us start now. Are you ready for our science? You ready for our science? I prepared this one for you. Okay, just a minute. Okay. Okay, welcome to our science class. Okay, just a minute. Okay, and start. Just a minute. Okay, I want you to, so our topic for today is about animals. And look at this one. Okay, this worksheet. Can you prepare this worksheet first before we start? Prepare first this worksheet. Okay, Mas, then Shane, Pat, and Anna, prepare this worksheet. We're going to answer this one. Okay? You have this worksheet with you? You have this worksheet, and look at her, 10. You have this worksheet, 10. Oh, Shane, okay, very good. So if you answer it already, you have to listen here. Okay, so you can participate and you can answer my question here. Okay, you are all very good. Okay, Anna, you have this worksheet already? Pat and Max? Who else is in there? Okay, you are very good. You finished answering it already? Okay, now I will discuss this one and you have to listen to this one first. Okay, our topic is about animals. What's on the okay, what
panda.
they're eating? Look at this
Bamboo.
one. Okay, look at this one. So we have here
A hedgehog. A mushroom.
hedgehog, mushroom. We're talking about animals, right?
A
What
raccoon.
here? Raccoon.
An apple.
Okay. Apple. Apple, right?
A raccoon. An apple.
Raccoon. An apple. You can eat an apple. Okay. This one.
A skunk. A caterpillar.
Wow. This is what we are.
A skunk. A bear. A fish.
Bear is eating
A bear.
fish. And tiger is eating
A tiger. Meat.
eating meat. Tiger eating meat. Okay? And
A tiger.
tiger.
A deer.
Bear.
Grass.
Giraffe. We are eating bear. That is
A
what?
deer.
That is a deer. And how about
A
this one?
fox. Fowl.
Okay, this is what these animals are eating. You can eat this kind of,
A fox.
okay? Squirrel.
A squirrel.
Squirrel
Nuts.
is, okay, look at this one first.
A squirrel.
Wolf.
A wolf.
This one is
Meat.
wolf. Also wolf can eat. Wolf can eat meat. Wolf. Okay? You like that? So that is
A
the third
tiger.
video. So you can understand that.
A squirrel.
Okay? Get a good topic now. You like that video? You like that video, K2? Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay. Okay, look at this. So we have this one. What is this? Anybody can tell me what is this? What is this? Dog. Yes, this one is a dog. What is this, Mas?
ดอกจริงๆไม่เห็นจะมีดอกมี
Ah,
มีแต่แครอทมีแต่กล้วยมีแต่ต้นหญ้า
okay, dog. This one is, this animal is dog. And what do you think? Dog, what is the food for the
แม่
dog?
มองออกด้วยเหรอ
What
แม่
they are eating?
คือต้นหญ้าเหรอแม่
What is the favorite food of the
ไม่
dog?
เห็น
You
ใคร
can
รู้ว่า
guess.
เนี่ยฮะ
You can guess what is the favorite food of the dog? What mostly dogs are eating? Look at this one. Dogs eat. What is this? You know what is that one? Huh? Dogs likes to eat bones. Dogs likes to eat bones. Okay? Okay, now let's go to this one. Anybody can tell me what is this? What is this? Okay. Cat.
Cat.
Cat. Mas. What is this, Mas? Mas? What is this, Mas? Mas, look at here. What is this? You know what is this? What is this, Mas? Are you still eating, Mas? Okay, Anna, what is this, Anna? Cat, cat. Cat. Okay, this one is cat. Okay. And what do you think that the favorite food of cat? Cat likes to eat what? You know? Cat can eat many kind of foods. Look at this one. Cat can eat many kind of food. You can find many different kind of food for the cat. Okay, if you have cat, you can serve different kind of food for the cat. Look at this one here. Boiled fish. Cat can eat boiled fish. This one. Cat can eat this one. Who likes cat in here? You have cat in your home? Cat likes to eat boiled fish and boiled chicken. Cat also can eat boiled chicken. Let us check this one, if you know this one. What is this, Shane? What is this one, Shane? Shane, look at here, Shane. What is this one? Fish. Then, what is this then? What is this one then? Then, mas, pat.
Fish.
Okay, fish. Then, what is this then? Then, and pat. Then, can you tell me what is that? Huh? Fish. Fish. Okay, very good. Anna, what is this, Anna? Anna, this is what? Fish. Okay, this is a fish, and fish is, what is this? Fish can eat what? You know what is this?
Worm.
Worm. Very good, Shane. Okay, fish likes to eat worms. Okay, if you want to catch fish, you need to prepare many worms, and so you can catch many fish. Okay, if you can go fishing, you can catch many fish if you will bring many worms, because fish like to eat worms. Okay, fish like to eat worms. Okay, so look at this one again. Look at this one. Can you tell me what is that? Anybody can tell me what is that? Shane? Snake. Mas, what is this, Mas? What is this, Mas? You're still eating. Come on, Tin. Tin, what is this? Snake. Okay. But, Anna, what is this, Anna? Anna, can you tell me what is this, Anna? Anna? Anna, what? Anna, look at here. Anna, what is this? What is that? Snake. Okay, very good. And this one is a snake, right? Now, what do you think? What do you think? What is the food for the snakes? You can tell? Huh? What do you think snakes are eating? They can eat. Snakes can eat many things. Can eat like. Look at this one. They can eat frogs. Okay, they can eat like insects. Like frogs. They can eat frogs. They can eat butterflies. They can okay. Snakes likes to eat also rats. If they can saw rats, they can also eat rats, frogs. Okay. These are the favorite food of snakes. What is this one? What is this? Anybody can tell me? Anybody? Frog. Yes, this one is frogs. Okay. You understand it already you watch it? I mean, so you answered it already, right? So now that's why you know how to answer this one. So again, 10, what is this one, 10? What is the favorite food of the snake, 10? 10, what is this?
10, what is this?
10?
10.
Look at here, what is this, 10?
10. Oh.
10, look at here, what is this?
Frog.
Frog, very good, 10. Pat, what is this one, Pat? What is this one, Pat? This one. What is this one, Pat? Pat? Anna? And Mas? What is this one? Frog. Okay. Okay, I want to check who is still in there. Item. Hi, Item. Okay, Item is here also. Okay, open your camera item. And also I want to check if you can tell me what is this. What is this? Hamster. Hamster. 10. Can you tell me what is this 10? Oh, item is in the car. Hello, item.
Item
look
go
at
to the
item.
vaccine. Go to
10, what is
vaccine.
this 10?
Yeah,
Ten?
teacher.
Look at item. What kind of animal is 10? Nana? Item, you know what is this?
Item go to vaccine, teacher.
Go to where? Vaccine?
Yeah, vaccine ไข้หวัดใหญ่
Oh, very good. Okay, very good item. You go to have a vaccine. Very good. Okay, you have to take care, car. Item. Okay. Very good item.
Item to teacher ก็หนูก็บอกว่า
Okay.
go to vaccine ไข้หวัดใหญ่
Now let's go to this one. What is this? Cat. Can you tell me what is this cat? Cat. Okay, this one is a hamster. Okay, Shen answered this one already. This one is a hamster. Okay, and what do you think hamster are eating? You know the favorite food of hamster? You know the favorite food of hamster? Okay. Look at that. Ooh, hamster eating this one. What is that? Hamster eating different kind of. What is this? Hamsters eating nuts. Okay. So we have here different kind of nuts. Okay. Hamster can eat different kind. He likes more. Hamster likes more nuts. Okay. Okay, again, I want to ask you 10. What is this 10? 10? What is this one 10?
มาให้ดูแฮม
What is this one?
โอ้ดีดี
Hamster.
Hamster. Very good. And hamster likes to eat what?
อีทอะไรอีทอะไร
Likes to eat
Eat the nut.
nuts. Okay, very good. And cat, can you answer me? What is this cat? Cat? Cat here. Okay, what is this cat? Hamster. Okay.
Hamster.
Okay, and hamster likes to
Hamster
eat
like eat nut.
nuts. Okay, okay, look at this one. Now let's go to this one. What is that? Rabbit. Okay, rabbit. All of you can answer. Rabbit. Okay. And answer rabbit. Can you guess? Every food of rabbits. Anybody can tell me what what's the favorite food of rabbit? You know what is the favorite food of rabbit? This one is rabbit, right? What's name? Can you tell me the favorite food of rabbit? I can okay, this one rabbit can eat carrots. Favorite food of rabbits is carrots, and also they can eat corn. Okay, also carrots and corn. These are the favorite foods of rabbits. Okay. Then what is this then? Then what is this kind of animals then? Then look at here. What is this one?
กิน
Huh?
rabbit
Rabbit. And
Rabbit.
rabbit eating what is that?
กินแครอท
นี่อะไร
ซอน
Carrots and
ทำไม rabbit กินก่อนอ่ะมันต้อง
corn.
กิน
Yes, rabbit eating
อ่อนๆ
carrots
กินไม่หมด
and corn. Mas.
แล้วกินอันนี้ได้นี่
Okay. Pat, look at here, Pat. What is that? Pat, what is this, Pat?
พาร์ทครูเรียก
What is this, Pat?
Teacher,
What kind of word is this, Pat? What is this?
what is it ปัดเลยรู้จักไหมปัดดัง
What is this one, Pat? Rabbit. And rabbit eating what? This one. Rabbit eats.
ๆจ้องคุณครูแล้วนิ่งๆแวบปิด
Rabbit eats. What is that? Egg. Corn.
Eatอะไร?
What is this, Pat? You know what is this, Pat?
ชอบกินอะไร
Pat, you know what is that? Rabbits eating corn and what is that? Carrots. Yes. Carrots. Okay, Mas, I want to hear from you, Mas.
นิ่งๆอ่ะ
Mas, what is this, Mas? Mas? Are you still eating? Okay, Anna. Look at here, Anna. What is this, Anna?
หิวไม่ฟัง
What is this? This one. What is this, Anna? Can you tell me what is this?
หยุด
Huh? Rabbit, but I can't hear you, Anna. Okay, rabbit, but I can. Okay, look, how about this one, Anna? Rabbit eating this one. What is this? What is this, Anna? Look at here. I cannot hear you, Anna. Okay, corn and carrots. Okay, I can just spread your mouth, Anna, but I cannot hear you. Okay, okay, Anna. Okay, Anna, very good. Okay. Who else is in there? Okay. So, Mas, item. Item, you can see this one item. You know what is this item? You know what is this?
Yeah.
What is this? What is this item?
Carrot.
Okay, okay. This one first. This one. What kind of animal is this item? Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. And rabbit eating. What is that? This one.
Rabbit.
Rabbit eating
Rabbit.
carrots and corn. Okay. Rabbits eating carrots and corn. Okay. So you can answer already your worksheet, right? So I just want to do this one quick. What kind of animal is this? Okay. What is
Bird,
it?
no.
What is that? Bird. Okay. This one is bird. And bird likes to eat what? You know? What is it? Bird. Okay. What is that? Birds eating what? Birds eating. Look at here, Ted. Birds eating. What is this, Ted? Birds eating. Okay. Birds eating. Worm. Very good, Shane. Ted. Birds eating what? What is this? Then look at that, Ted. Birds eating what? What is this, Ted? Birds eating. Eating what? Ted? Okay. Birds can eat worm. Birds eating worm. Okay? Worm. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, can you tell me what is this? Okay, this one is an elephant, right? This one is an elephant. So you know already? I hope to go back to your worksheet now. If you can answer already, I think you know already how to answer, and you show me already that you are answering yet. You are very good. So the topic for today is about. Okay, let's go back first. I will go back to your worksheet for a while. before we end?
cat.
Okay, so this is our topic for today. Okay, this one, okay? Draw lines. Okay, to those who did not answer it yet, you just have to draw